all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello. How is everyone? Don, you have a really loud dog. And echo. Don? Hello? I left the dog trading for him. Yeah, probably. So, Don. Okay, I'm going to mute him or her. D-O-N, Don. Last chance to mute yourself. Okay, so welcome back. What a shit day, ladies and gentlemen. This morning, German index pulled down my trousers, minus 4k. Well, we have to get familiar with what we trade, and I wasn't ready. So, but having a look at the gold market, things aren't going easy as well, because it looks like that gold is going to hit my second position as well. Oh wow, that was loud. Alban is back in the house. So, hey, Alban, welcome back. Shit day, mate. It's just losses and losses. It's not my day. Gold is about to hit my second stop loss. Well, hopefully in the afternoon session we're going to have some more opportunities, but by the looks of it, gold is not going to help. But there's still a chance, because if you have a look, you know, it's still above the weekly pivot point, which is something. It's at least something positive that we can hope and rely on. How do you see the gold market, Alban? Up or down? Buy or sell?
Well, to be honest, I'm pretty bullish on it, but I don't know. I'm kind of confused. But like, it didn't break today. Didn't break any high. It tried to break the Asia's low, but didn't even continue. Just took a spike down and got back. I don't know. Today I'm confused with it. So I don't know. I guess we are here for you to tell us.
yeah, Thomas, buy or sell, buy or sell. Yeah, I completely agree. So the first thing we have to do is look at the economic calendar, which is absolutely shit this week. In a way, it's shit that there's no tradable events. There's only one of two quantitative news, such as the initial jobless claims, which, you know, it can be good, can be bad. So sometimes the market doesn't react as we want. On the other hand, if there's no tradable events, then we're hoping that the technicals and the fundamentals are going to dominate the market. But looking at the fundamental side, it's not easy, because we don't have any interest rate increase or any that sort of central bank decision announcement or FOMC meetings or anything like that, because that part is settled. Now we have what we're left with is the situation in Ukraine, which is intensifying in a way that, you know, Russia is pulling back the operations around Kiev. On the other hand, they're escalating things in the eastern region in Donetsk and the south of Ukraine, and you know, things not looking good. I mean, what pisses me off is that Bloomberg calls this atrocities. It's fucking mass murder. It's not atrocities. I mean, call it in its name. And you know, more sanctions are coming. I think the market is really waiting about what is going to happen, because we still didn't really uncover what is going to be the effect of all these sanctions. And now what we see on the market and all of this sideways movement and indecisiveness is measuring up the cost of the sanctions, measuring up the cost of the interest rate hike, measuring the cost of companies pulling out of Russia. So markets are really just waiting out and want to see, okay, where are we going to lose money, and where we have to I'm just going to mute whoever is that loud. So the market is really checking that where they should move money from and to. So it's a wait and see game, but judging by the news, nothing, absolutely nothing. And this is the shittest period this year so far.
Yeah, pretty much, I guess.
Yeah, so gold already hit the second position, so that well, technically, if we look at my MetaTrader, it hasn't hit the stop loss yet, but it's really fucking close. It's minus 800 pounds. Literally just massage, but it's right on the previous daily open and the weekly pivot point. So yeah, it's just gonna wait and see. People on YouTube says they can't hear the Zoom.
I had a L on gold this morning. I'm waiting.
Rayon.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
I'm good.
That's the best thing, this one thing.
I'm waiting for gold to make a decision where if it wants to go up or down, because market looks like shit right now.
Yeah, it is shit, but I'm gonna leave this position. I'm gonna leave this position and just wait. How do you see the gold market, guys? Do you give me some?
I just did a buy on that low point.
I think it was wise, to be honest, because just
double bottom, that it may go up a little bit for 10 pips.
Yeah. I mean, it's still within the previous daily
Still
candle.
on that 40, Thomas?
Sorry?
We're not hearing you, Thomas. I realize your lips are moving, but we can't hear you.
Now you hear me.
No,
Yeah.
What did you say, Alban?
Are you still on that German?
No,
index
no,
or
no,
is it-
no, no. 9 German. Germany is pulled out. It's closed down now. That was a big loss today.
Okay, why don't
Fuck
you
me.
remove it from your watch list?
No,
Seems
I'm
like-
still. You see, the analysis wasn't bad because now it's dropping. Where is it? German 40 here. So it dropped. There was a fake out this morning, and I never traded German 30, and it did exactly what usually GBP USD does before the London Open. Now the Germans did exactly the same. That 30 pip move to the upside, or 50 in this case, or 60, and then pulled back down, and that was a clear manipulation. Which you know, I never traded it. I wasn't prepared, and it wagged my head. So you know, I paid the price.
Yeah, you took a quite loss in it. I saw that.
Yeah, but this
You're
will
being in
this will
profit
get down.
now.
Yeah, but
Running good
you know,
profit.
lesson learned. do not trade German 30 and wait for the morning manipulation. That is lesson of the day. Quite expensive lesson, but you know, at least we know.
That's it.
So, setup for those who didn't enter gold. I'm giving out this, and I'm going to enter into setup now, into buy. We clearly have a sideways movement. But what I'm expecting is the previous daily open and the weekly pivot to hold. So at least this is what I'm expecting for today. A bullish movement when New York opens. So jumping back to my MetaTrader, I'm going to open another position. This one is closed down. The free lot. Oh shit, I closed on the other one. Fuck.
I wasn't here in any way taking a buy, so I just closed my buy with a little profit. Because I took it all the way on what you said about the close, the daily.
Yeah. So shit, I closed in the wrong position, but no, this one is actually good. The 5 lots. So we're hopping back to TradingView. So the new setup, because price came back to retest the weekly pivot, is entering a position on exactly on the current price level. Stop loss is up to you. It's to your own interpretation. If you're using higher lots, use a tighter stop loss. If you're using smaller lots, then you can use a wider stop loss. Mine is going to be just under the previous. No, mine is going to be a tight one because it's 5 lots. So if I lose down, I'm going to set the monetary one. So not percentage, but yeah, if I lose, I'm going to use 1.3k. That's less than 2%, so that's enough. I'm targeting a smaller, modest profit target at the weekly resistance. So that is the new setup for today. And it looks like so that's the position I have. Stop loss is there, 120, 1921. TP. Let's see how much would it be if I target 1950.
Started to reject a bit, you know. I think it's trying to recover.
Sorry?
It's trying to recover slowly.
Yeah, it's we don't know how is it gonna play out. It's not easy to trade this week, and it's probably we didn't have many days like this since January. So you know, I'm quite happy that it's one of the rare days, because in most of the days we did make some profit or tiny losses. So it's calculating, it's April now, January, February, March, April. So 3 months into the year, probably the second or the third time I say it on live that it's a shit week and I don't really know what to expect, which is not a bad result.
That's true.
In it.
Yeah, bro, I agree.
Finish him! Finish him!
Wagwan, Jamaica!
Thomas, you have a lot of sound effect on that thing.
What's that?
you have a lot of sound effect on that thing.
Oh, you
using.
heard it. Let me know when you hear it, because I don't know what you hear. Can you hear it now?
Finish him.
Your motor come back finishing.
I love my new soundboard. So Sarah Sardar on YouTube asking, why you never sell? It's a good question. Don't know. Maybe because I'm really bullish on the market. And now he's asking, why you always would buy? I mean, can it be something else if not other than sell? Possible. We did sell last year. Okay. So, does anyone have a good setup? No? That's really disappointing, guys. Say that again, Kashif?
I don't trade any other pairs. So I'm in with you with US30 and gold.
Oh, I forgot about US30. So US30 this morning had this fake out, which I think it's a fake out, and I think it should continue to the downside. Are you selling US30?
Yes, 4 lots.
4 lots. Wow, that's a big boy lot. What about Raul?
I'm selling nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Oh. I'm tempted to sell US30 to jump on with Ahmed.
Also 20 lots.
No, absolutely fucking not. But I have a question for YouTube. How on earth is possible that we have 206 viewers and only 86 like? If you like the stream, hit the like button. If you really like it, smash that fucking like. If you want to go out on a date with Raul, hit the like button. Thank you.
Yeah, but the trouble is if you smash it, you just liking, unliking.
Yeah.
If Thomas started, how the hell on earth do you know already what he's going to say?
Exactly.
Then it's about the thumbs up.
Jenny comes a little bit later, but you know.
Oh, we have 93 likes now. It's improving.
98.
People start to wake up. And 97 on mine. Maybe closer to 109. Whoa, wow. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. 110. Can we push it up to 200? That is my question. If we push it up to 200, we should give something to the stream for the viewers on YouTube. Don't you agree? Some gift we should give away.
Another
Yeah,
trade.
that first.
What should we give them?
What's it?
These
Another lovely trade.
another lovely trade. Well, after
Someone
this...
said, I don't want to go on a date with Raul. What should I do?
No, you want to go on one of Jimmy. We know. We know you prefer Jimmy.
Yeah, thank
No,
you.
it was a
yeah,
comment on
yeah,
YouTube. I was just
yeah,
reading
no.
it, you guys.
I thought
I
that
could
was you.
agree with
It was by Redeem.
No, it's your own fault what you said. Now you get it back.
I'm not delusional. I'm still completely sane.
I'm doubting.
Yeah, we're not so sure
Oh,
Oh,
Finish him.
she's quiet directly. She's not saying nothing anymore.
Oh, Lord.
oh, gold is now pushing up, £500 in profit. That's good.
I miss my entry, man.
Yes, please, give me access to your college. I don't have a college, mate. I don't have a university, not even a primary school.
Well,
Open your
you have a
MetaTrader
lot of
force.
Barnsley childs, these
Yeah.
people in the group.
AD on YouTube asking, open your MetaTrader, please, sir. I can do that. It's something I can make your dream come true. You can watch my MetaTrader. At least something I can do. But we didn't hit the 200 likes, so technically I should not do this. But here it is. Feel free to watch it.
Good afternoon,
if it makes
Thomas.
you happy.
Anwar here.
Who?
Anwar here, Thomas. Good afternoon.
Oh, Anwar. I was wondering, where are you? I missed you.
I just came in. 4 o'clock. I thought it's going to start at 4:30. So.
Damn it.
Here in UAE it is 4:22.
Yeah.
So it started 20 minutes ago, right?
Yeah, we start the same time every single day. It's
Okay,
1 p.m.
okay.
1 p.m.
Okay.
UK time.
1 p.m. UK time. Okay, fine.
How are you, Ambar?
I'm doing good, man. I'm just trying to adjust to the protocols of the group.
There's no protocols, there's some house rules.
We
but
have no protocol.
we have no manners, we have no standards. I mean, look at the team who just came to Zoom and what they're doing on a live stream. We have no standards and manners.
Yeah, the quote-unquote protocols.
No. It's something that we don't have.
Okay.
There is no lower than this.
Yeah, don't worry, Jimmy will come on, it'll go lower.
Oh man, yeah, that's true.
That's funny.
Especially when you get Jimmy and B together. Well,
you took this
I
position
I
today,
don't have
Thomas?
anyone to roast these days, so
No sausage roast.
The E40 was horrible today. Ripped off.
Yeah, but the E40 was actually, it was my fault because I jumped on straight away to a new pair. But now I know that D40 does this ugly, dirty move to the upside, which was a fake out. And usually it happens on GBP USD that before the market open, there's always like 20 to 30 to 40 pips, manipulation. So, I was too early to jump on. And now it's dropping down.
Yeah, exactly.
138 pips down. So, it would have been a nice profit.
30.
Yeah, it respected the last candle. It didn't go beyond that. I thought of shorting it there itself, but then I thought you never know, right? It's going up. You should not go in there.
At least gold looks like it's going to pay back all the losses from the German 30 or 40, whatever German index. Let's go German DAX index. I used to get DAX index. Who's in a buy on gold?
Just got an entry.
1
Yes,
point.
50 pips in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah.
Just entered. I love it.
Thomas, please, can you go to 15-minute time frame?
Anything you want.
$50 a time.
15-minute time frame. Oh, it looks bigger then, eh? What are we looking for in a 15-minute?
I think there is a bullish flag.
Yeah, it looks like a bullish flag. Which we managed to catch exactly the bottom, which was, it lined up with the previous daily open.
White for the bottom.
AD on YouTube is asking, I can buy now or not gold? I mean, seriously, man, we were talking about this, that I literally emphasized it, that I'm going to enter into a buy, And this looks like a good buying opportunity. And the new setup is this. And if you didn't catch this few sentences and explanations, then I have nothing to say, buddy. You missed it. No, it's not too late to enter. I'm still in a buy. If you enter here, the current price level, you just have to use a wider stop loss. It's your money, your responsibility. It's not financial advice. Shane Pantene on YouTube, just spend all your money on buy, bro. Let's go rich today. Don't do it.
Finish him.
Gold almost hit my stop loss before this bullish move. My
Yeah,
stop
mine
loss
as
was
well.
24.
Mine was 24 as well, from the morning analysis.
We were lucky.
Very lucky. But now we up 40-50 pips, which is good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Finally. And we slowly approaching to 200 likes, ladies and gentlemen. And I think if we reach 200 likes, we should give something to this wonderful YouTube community who came to listen to you, tuned in. And I forgot to share the link to Telegram, so maybe we're gonna get a few more viewers. Kashif had a really loud bird in the background.
No. You know, I don't have any.
Yeah, I just on. Who was it? Maybe someone else. Maybe it's another Kashif.
Okay, maybe.
Oh no, yeah, it was someone else. Spring is here, Giorgio.
Yes, Spring is here. Bees chasing after Jimmy. Or was that Soapy?
Mate.
Excuse me.
Finish him.
Good morning or good afternoon, Thomas.
Finish him.
There he is. What you want?
I want to see my goal is flying already or not. The goal that I hold last night.
Not really. I wouldn't call it flying. It's just like flapping its bird like a broken pigeon.
Yeah, for you.
It's more like a penguin trying to fly.
8:29 p.m. in Brunei Darussalam, and it's heavy raining here. Who's that? B or what? Is that you, B?
She was waiting for you, boy.
I'm afraid to answer.
Silence.
She's here, don't worry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Girl
So-
is always hard to get at the first time. Long time, we'll see.
Oh man.
Welcome back, Jimmy.
Never gonna happen.
Never mind. Never
Still
mind.
waiting.
Which girl? I don't know.
There
I
is
think he's talking
billion-
about his wife. She was hard to get at first sight, I think.
Let's see the goal first. Oh, my goal. Wow, $5, huh?
Jimmy, did y'all set y'all's wedding date yet?
It's okay, my brother. Well, there is a lot of girls in this world, billion. There is a lot of flowers in this world that we can choose. No problem. I'll give some for you, my brother. Trust me, brother. Trust me, brother.
What a Jamaican, my brother.
Yeah, Jamaica in the house, baby.
But where is Christine? We miss her. She's been away. I didn't see or hear her talking lately.
One of the boys scared her away.
I don't know.
Sophie, why don't you change your name? I'm confused.
I guess B, Christine is suffering from COVID or something. You know, not herself, but some family members or something.
Isn't it Michelle?
That's
It's
Michelle.
Michelle, it's not Christine.
Yeah. Wish a speedy recovery for Michelle on live. Radim Studeni on YouTube. This dude Jimmy again. Sorry for that young woman. Oh.
Can't hear Thomas.
Now you can hear me. So Radim on YouTube just wrote in a message. This dude Jimmy again. Sorry for that young woman. Oh, Jimmy.
Life is very, very hard, Thomas. Life is very, very hard.
I thought you are hard, man. Not life.
Thomas, you just go in on another cell on US 30.
I did, yes. I shared it on you, so I went in on the cell. I shared the screen with you, where I took the position.
You're still holding the goal, yeah, Thomas?
Damn right. Yes, sir. And that is holding well. 5 lots,
yeah.
2K. Boom, boom, boom.
Amazing. Boom, 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 boom. We hold until the end of the week.
Yeah, you did mention the end of the week.
Yeah, I'm still holding it from last night when I entered from the time that I told you. I'm still holding it. I put an SL, it doesn't hit my SL. Lucky me, very lucky, very, 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 very lucky. Trust me, brother.
Lucky you.
Trust me. Trust me.
Trust me.
Very, very lucky.
Trust
oh,
me,
brother,
bro.
look at gold. Oh my god, gold is pumping up, ladies and gentlemen. Brother, trust me, it's gonna go so high.
It's gonna go so high.
You have to buy, you have to buy.
Seriously, we come onto the stream. I had only losing trades today. As soon as we come onto the stream and I start to analyze the market, then now it's going up. I should really only trade during the live stream. I mean, this was the
alpha.
This is the power of you guys, honestly.
Thomas says the magic.
This is pumping up and it's going to hit the target. Trust me. I'm telling you, I swear. Brother, I swear.
brother.
Oh my god.
Brother. Ooh, going up, going up, going up, going up.
Maybe because it's Jimmy. Have you thought about this? That Jimmy has some direct correlation?
Impossible.
Impossible.
That was quick of Raul. No.
Impossible. Why is it impossible? It's gold. If I enter gold, gold will go up. Easy, just like that. That's the thing.
Didn't you hit your SL yesterday?
Our blood pressure go up with you. Not more.
I guess we'll go up till the fib line, the 50%.
Trust me, it will go up to the fib line. I'm telling you.
Thomas, I guess you're on reverse right now. Like when you're on YouTube, then it pumps. Like yesterday, when you ended the stream, it went down.
Yeah, maybe it's changing the correlation.
Plus, the AUD USD, what do you think about it?
Bearish. No, I don't know. No, it broke that bearish trend. Sorry, the channel we've been following. So I wouldn't touch it now. It's, you know, this candle which broke this long-term trend. This channel, it was broken with how many pips? 100 pips. It broke this channel, and now we have this massive bullish candle. I would just stay away. But Isaac is the king of AUD USD. And who is this bloody loud in the group?
Yeah, who's that?
It sounds like a fucking elephant.
A fucking elephant making babies.
Kevin, is that you?
Stop the humping. Please stop the humping for a while. We are trading.
Yeah, it's like a whale. Brother.
I entered GJ around 160.
Very good.
7. Nice. It's flying.
Very good.
Trust
Very
me,
good.
brother. Trust me, brother. We'll have a pullback on H1. Then we
Oh
will
my God.
enter again.
Can you imagine that I gave Jimmy a free membership to the group, and now I stuck with him? Unbelievable.
Are you regretting giving us the birthday gift?
I think he's regretting.
I know I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
We can read between the lines, Tom.
But you know, it was my decision, and I have to take the responsibility for my decisions. Which in this case is Jimmy.
They're still laughing so hard right now.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh my God. I think we see some very interesting people in since we have the alpha effects. A year and 4 months, we had people come and go. So I think Jimmy isn't the loudest. He's definitely a character, but you know.
He's the loudest also.
Loudest, okay. I'm the loudest. I'm the most shy among all.
Yeah,
You and shyness, that's yeah.
Obvious.
I'm the
most humble one in the group.
Yeah.
You need to change the definition of being shy then.
Shy.
Yeah.
They're very shy. You can tell.
Yeah, very shy. Very shy.
Yo, Jimmy, where you from?
Guys, I don't think gold is gonna hit the fifth line because we made 200 and a trend line coming from above.
Oh, Percy and his
We're gonna be
200
stuck here.
EMA like yesterday. He
Yeah,
was
you know
spot
my
on.
200
He was
EMA,
spot
right?
on. Percy was spot on
Percy
yesterday,
again.
and I was like, damn it, it just melted yesterday. But then, so this was when Percy came into the stream. This orange candle, the 200-day moving average and the previous daily high was somewhere here. Gold melted, and then as soon as we finished the stream, gold pumped back up again. And since yesterday's stream, it is just moving sideways. And now Percy's back again with the 200-day moving average.
Just now, when everybody was in a sell, I said all the way down there, I'm gonna go in a buy, but
Yeah.
I didn't have nobody's support, so I went out, and then you took the buy, and then I took the buy a little bit. But I'm afraid to hold it like you do, so this is for me a learning. Like
don't be shy. Just hold it. Don't be shy.
Yeah,
Just
I'm
hold it.
afraid to hold it. I lost so much, and now I'm really strict. So I try only to take 10 pips, and then I see y'all doing 55 and etc. Like wow.
You have to trust us, brother. Trust us, brothers. The alphas is always trust us, brother.
Jesus,
Yeah.
man.
You have to learn to hold it, man.
Prof.
Jimmy.
We all should meet. We all should meet somewhere in another country, or we can go to Tamas country.
Or you can invite us.
You're not gonna invite it to Brunei.
Yeah, you guys can go to Brunei. I can show you the mosque, the big mosque.
Oh, the most. Okay.
Brunei is very peaceful, super peaceful. Super peaceful here.
Is it a nice place, Brunei?
Yeah, very nice. The king is very fair, super fair.
In which
I've never
country?
been there.
It's Brunei Darussalam.
Darussalam.
Yeah, Brunei Darussalam. It's an oil-rich country. Oil-rich country.
It's confusing because I have been in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I didn't
Tanzania.
know there are two Dar es Salaam.
But Darussalam is the type of the country. I think it's the because we call it what's the Sultan. So we call it Brunei Sultanatum, which is Darussalam, and isn't that mean that the type of the country?
Yeah, Darussalam is actually a boat of peace. We call it a boat of peace.
Yes, the House of Peace.
Yeah. That's why if you come here, you'll become peace, inshallah. Trust me, brother.
Oh.
I love everyone in Zoom chat. I was just like, brother, trust.
Trust, brother, Jimmy. You know, when
Trust
you
me,
go to the local market and you try to negotiate with someone, you find a good leather jacket or something, and as soon as you hear this sentence, trust me, just walk away. That's the moment when you know you're gonna get screwed. Or when someone says, I swear to you, brother.
Thomas?
Yeah.
Yes, chef.
Last 2 years ago, Thomas, I was visiting what you call this one? Cairo. I went there for the IFTA. You know IFTA?
No.
IFTA is the International Federation Technical Analysis Worldwide. I went there for with a friend. So I visited the country lah. So I went going for that, what do you call it, a ride on the pyramid, 3 biggest pyramid. Nice, very nice there. Then he asked me, Sanya, you want to come in? Yeah. What? How much? 100 USD. Wow, 100 USD just to come in this what do you call it? This pyramid. Trust me, brother. Yeah. Trust me, brother. Yeah. This is very, very good. Yeah. Oh, I paid. Oh my God, it doesn't worth $100. It's only 30 walks inside, then I come out with $100.
Plus the fact that the official price is probably about 10 Egypt pounds.
But when they saw Jimmy, they said it's gonna be 100.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I've been in the middle one. It wasn't £100. It's like 10 local pounds, which is about 10.
Anyone in GBP, JPY, it is falling.
Wait, what? Seriously?
GBP, yeah.
Yes, Rayan.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell Aku sell.
I'm trying to. Where's Jimmy from? I'm trying to ask him, but he's like a party. He won't stop.
Brunei Darussalam.
Say that again?
Brunei. He's from
Yeah,
Brunei.
Brunei Darussalam.
First time here.
The most richest country in the world. One of the richest country in the world. Trust me.
Really?
Yeah, really. That's the fact, my friend.
That's true.
But we don't have camel here. Only oil. I think GJ is going down to have a good pullback on H1. Then I'm gonna enter some more, inshallah.
What kind of oil you have, you guys?
Crude oil.
It's not cooking.
Which oil? Wheat oil.
What do you mean?
Wheat oil, you said.
No, crude oil.
Crude oil. Okay, so you are richer than Saudi Arabia and Dubai.
Yeah, that's friend. Saudi Arabia. That's why trust me, brother.
Oh my God. Okay. Right.
Don't worry. The trust is always there.
Thomas, it's on you, huh?
So I do apologize, guys. I know I take full responsibility for Jimmy, but you know,
why don't I trust him?
It was his birthday. I invited him.
It's probably his birthday every day, Bo. That's the problem.
Yeah. But be positive, guys. Jimmy is a wonderful guy, bringing some color to the team, because otherwise you guys would not speak on live stream. Many times I just do the talking, and at least now we have some, cheer, joy.
Then I can shut up now.
Now we're entertained.
Thank you,
big guy.
Okay, so quickly, look at the gold market. What is it doing?
Nothing.
It's pumping up. So we entered today in the live stream. At the beginning of the live stream, I was whining about the losses this morning I had, and it's going to retest the PDO, and I said no, I'm not going to change my position, and I'm still have the bullish stance. And as soon as I said that, and as soon as I marked this setup on the chart, since that gold is pushing up, but it's 80 pips up in profit, 90 pips. But the question is, what happens with those who didn't enter in this position? Should they enter now? Is it too late for them to enter? Gold buy or sell? What do we say to them?
Ask Jimmy. He'll tell
What
you.
do we say to them? No. It's what do we say to them? Because I already see in the YouTube chat that people asking that they were late because they still can't remember that it's 1 p.m. UK time that we do the live stream. They now go all this pumping up. So what should we say to them? Are we going to just
Wait
say
for
no?
the
It's too late.
retracement.
That's
Wait
correct.
until it breaks
Excellent.
and then retest.
Excellent. So next
Patience
resistance
is the name
level
of the game.
in it. Well done. Well done.
SS is just about to hit, the resistance line from earlier.
Yeah, so yesterday we had this
36
resistance
and
level
down.
where Percy just came onto the stream and said it's going to go down, and it went down actually, so I wasn't really happy about that. But that is a strong resistance level. So on a lower time frame, what the people needs to do who missed this beautiful entry, which was shared free, and it's a wonderful entry. And the next thing they have to do, trust me, this is going to be resistance level, most likely going to do its job, or it's resisting the price to break through. So maybe it's going to hold as a resistance, bounce back, use the previous daily close as a support, and then boom, it's going to smash it through with a impulse move to the upside. That is a conservative entry. What if we have people on the stream who just cannot wait until this to happen, and they have the fear of missing out? Should they enter into buy now? What do you think?
No,
if they enter here, seriously?
Certainly not. That's how you blow account.
No, you would not
Stop
say.
loss bigger and then smaller lot.
No, just no.
As it is impulse move, so they have to wait for 50% of the.
Wow, you really strict, guys. I wouldn't expect this. I wasn't expecting this, that you really this strict. I do respect it, but what if people can't wait to enter because they fear that they're going to miss out?
Well, they're going to blow their accounts.
Oh, small lot with the bigger stop loss.
There you go. That's a solution finally for Marwan. That is a feasible solution for those of you who missed the entry at 100 pips earlier. If you enter here at the current price level using a smaller lot size, a wider stop loss, so just somewhere at the weekly pivot, you can still enjoy the benefits of jumping onto this beautiful pumping bullish momentum. Thank you, Marwan. That was a good recommendation.
I'm not Marwan, but I'll stay that way for now. It's good.
Yeah.
Well done, Marwan. Well done, Marwan. We thought you were.
But Marwan.
Yeah. What's up, Raul?
Oh, I thought Jimmy said Marwan.
Marijuana? You have some, Jimmy?
No.
Okay.
Jimmy the man.
Jimmy drinks Red Bull.
Damn.
He got wings, huh?
Something like that.
I don't think that Jimmy needs any kind of booster. He's fine as it is.
Yeah.
Imagine him in caffeine or some kind of stimulating drug. That's unbelievable.
God bless us all.
Yeah, that would be a disaster for the world.
Yeah, we don't want Jimmy on speed, do we?
We have 267 viewers on YouTube and 185 likes. This is improving from day to day. So people on YouTube, wonderful people, if you're listening to this, thank you so much for following, for liking, and just joining the conversation. And thank you for the people in the Zoom for sticking with me.
Wow, there's a comment there. Tamas, your studies and approach to gold market is remarkable, and I learned a lot more you from last few days. Tamas, I'm really happy that MF started covering losses I made in last few months. Trust me, brother. From Muhammad Arshan Siddiqui. That's a very good
Thank you
comment.
so much.
Okay, YouTube people, like and share, please.
Raul,
Oh,
how is it
B.
on your side?
Yeah, Thomas can. I think Jimmy can be the group representative or speaker. You know.
I can, inshallah. I can, inshallah. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the recommendation.
Oh, Muhammad, on the comment. Yeah, Thomas, your studies and approach to gold market is remarkable, and I learned a lot from you from the last few days. Thomas, I'm really happy that I have started covering losses I made in the last few months. I trust you, brother. Thank you, Muhammad. I'm really appreciate your kind words, and I'm happy that you're making progress. Yeah, it was
the last one is good. Trust me, brother. Yeah. Trust me, brother.
Yeah, I think, you know, with patience and time, good things will come for those who wait.
Very true.
I think we have a good community.
Inshallah,
is pushing pips. Gilbert.
Very
Gilbert
true.
is new as
Very
well.
true.
Yeah. Yeah, we have losing days as well. So like today is a perfect example that, you know, we have losses as well. Luckily that, you know, we take less trades but more quality ones. That you know, in the past 3 months I think the results are absolutely phenomenal. Even though it sometimes hits the stop loss or reverses back, we still catch at every single live Zoom. We do catch, you know, minimum 50 pips or 100 or even more. But other can confirm. And I'm just sending a Trustpilot link to the Zoom chat. Muhammad, if you can leave a comment for me, I would really appreciate it on Trustpilot. That is the good feedback from me. I appreciate it. Thank you. Or anyone who wants to leave an honest opinion or comment, I put the link into the Zoom chat. Feel free to leave a comment for me. And looking at the gold market, we're up 85 pips. In less than 1 hour, made 80 pips.
Amazing, amazing. Trustpilot.com evaluate. What is that, Thomas? You send in the group. Trustpilot.com evaluate.
You can review me. You can anyone who signed up. You can leave a comment, a review that your opinion about me.
Oh,
it's
okay,
it's
okay.
free to do. If
my
you
God,
think you
gold is
get
flying
value,
again.
if
Can
you
we
think you get
include
value,
in the comments as well?
sorry.
Can we write something about Jimmy as well?
No, it's
don't
just,
do that. Don't do that.
Don't mix. It's
damn.
notice. That is a representation of
I know.
anyone
The
who signed up for
reputation
Alpha
damage
FX.
is that.
Yeah.
Mashallah, mashallah. Thank you, my fans. I already have a fan here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Never mind. Gold is going up already. That's the main important thing now. Wow. Up we go. We're gonna break this H4 sideways. I hate it. Waiting too long for this.
Oh my
break.
God, gold is really pumping up, ladies and gentlemen. So, big question for those on YouTube who missed the entry 100 pips earlier. Did you enter when we talked about what if you enter now with smaller lot size? Curious to find out.
19 pips already. Nice. Ooh, going up we go.
92 pips. Who's in a buy?
I am.
Me.
Yes. Me. Good.
Who is me? Who is me?
Me.
Me is the same guy that was talking about the stop loss. And
Alright.
you know.
Where is the EMA 200 guy? I don't see the guy.
Percy. Gold is flying. Is Percy? Are you here?
Percy.
Our
Wow.
Dutch friend.
Dankjewel.
Wow, it's going on.
So, quickly just jumping. What if someone missed the entry? Should they enter now? Or is it too risky?
No way.
That's
Yeah.
your own
I won't
peril.
even get in with a smaller lot size and big stop.
No, it's too risky.
No.
Even to this, I would say it's just too risky to enter now. But if you go to lower time frame, again, the same kind of setup is still valid. Wait for a decent pullback, using the previous daily close as a support, and then boom, jump on the gold train. Oh, so many of you are actually buying. Korea as well. Jafach Mafia. Sean, Kevin. No, Kevin, no. Me, no.
I've taken partials, waiting for a pullback. Probably put another entry in.
Hi, Thomas. I know you use the open, high, low, close, but you have heard of Camarillas, and if so, what's your thoughts on? I've heard about it, but I never used it. I don't have opinion about it. Roberto on YouTube is enter, is in a buy. Good. And we have 200 likes, ladies and gentlemen. We just smashed 200 likes on YouTube. Oh. How cool is that?
So the winner can have a night out with Jimmy, as
yes,
he's taking over
the winner.
role.
Now we're going to
Fine Wine 69.
Wine, Dine and 69 in it. So the winner, we're going to do a small competition, and the winner can go out on a date with our very own Jimmy. You don't have to bring him back. You can go out with him. It's going to
Leave
be
him somewhere.
And the rest of the alphas are gonna get jealous.
So
Sorry guys,
who wants
I'm a hot property now. I'm a hot property now.
property? Trust me, it's going to be your best.
Property, I'm property.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Still on YouTube, you get serious questions.
Yeah, AD on YouTube is really serious about it. Now give our gift. That was his statement, nothing else, just give our gift, because he remembered that what I promised. Your gift is you can go out on a wonderful romantic date for two with Jimmy, all paid by the Alpha FX, namely Raul. I'm gonna invoice him for this dinner, but you know, starter, main meal, bottle of wine, and a dessert. Wine, Dine, and 69.
Oh, Brandon can meet you, Jimmy.
Yeah, if we get to 400 likes, we'll arrange a date with B.
Really, 400 likes. How many likes already now, Thomas?
Someone is waking.
Let's push it. Let's push it. Come on, guys. Share, like, and share. Support your
Jimmy,
support.
Jimmy, you have a buddy here. Brandon is from Brunei.
Oh, really? Which is it in the group or in Discord or in YouTube?
No, on YouTube. He's looking for you. He wants to go out with you.
Wow.
Oh, Shannon. What the hell is going on? It sounds like a drug deal. It's really noisy.
It's the...
Must have a look at USD as well. It's playing nice.
Oh, goal is going up. Goal is going up.
Gold is pumping up, ladies and gentlemen.
Did someone say drug deal? Do I need to call
Yeah,
the cops?
Hello, Mr. Officer.
Someone is waking.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you Bad boys. But it was so funny that an actual police officer in the stream just joined in like, did someone call the police? Oh god. Oh god. Yeah.
100 pip up. Woohoo!
Oh yay, we reached 100 pip, ladies and gentlemen. Just in 1 hour. In the stream, we have reached 100 pips live on YouTube. What a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
What a wonderful day.
What a wonderful day.
So, gold is
If they enter,
parabolic.
wow. If they enter when you told them to enter already, wow, it's already flying.
Yeah. 102 pips in profit. That is insane.
I think maybe will be a pullback on 15, maybe that we can enter again. Thomas?
Yes, but that's I showed you already on TradingView.
Yeah. It's good. It's good to add. No problem. I'm in profit already, so I think I'm not gonna TP. I'm gonna hold until the end of the week, inshallah. I'll set my BE. If it hits the BE, I'll take the BE. No problem.
Shanaka Silva, thank you, Alpha. You made my day. I guess you made some profit today, so it's good. So James Harding asking, when would you be looking to close your buy today? When I made up the losses from the morning German loss, shorting the DAX, then I'm going to close. What else we have? So I'm gonna close down half of the position.
I'm in profit.
And locked in half of the position.
Jimmy.
Yep.
Are you close to the Maldives?
No, it's far away. Maldives is far away. But that is one of the destination I want to go. By the end of this year, inshallah, I want to go there. It's very, very far away, brother. It's, if you know Sabah, Sarawak and Sabah, Malaysia state, one of the Malaysia state that is near us. We are situated in the Borneo Island.
I don't know it. I'm on island, boy. I never left the island before, so might have to look at it on the map.
So quickly jump back onto TradingView. It looks like we have the retest that I've talked about.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes,
Was it you, Jimmy, making this really creepy noise?
No, not me. Oh my God, not me. No.
God.
Jimmy making a creepy noise? You can't imagine that.
No.
So, this is the kind of retest I was waiting for, or I talked about.
Yeah, this is the one.
So if you use the Fibonacci, there's a possibility it's going to come back somewhere below the previous daily close, or the Fib 38.2. In my opinion, it's going to wick down. So don't jump into just just a buy. Be patient.
Raul, you trading today?
No, not trading today.
Raul doesn't trade every day.
No, and I'm a little bit too much stressed on work and now the house. Then it's sometimes good to take a little bit of distance.
Yeah, true.
The house is overwhelming. Just finished my house like 3-4 months ago, and then, man, especially when you think you're finished.
Yeah.
Mate, I'm just starting my refurbishment. Well, the house building now, so with Raul. So not looking forward to it.
Yeah.
It's already cost a lot of money.
I'm taking some day off. I have a supplier I visit Thursday, and then I'm having the days off till Wednesday.
You bought a new house, Raul?
Do you have any engineer or project manager to manage your?
No, I like to do it and partly myself.
I just need
it's
to
a way to.
Yeah, it's like a real man.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
No, but I like it. It's I always work with numbers and other things. It's a way to de-stress.
It's
to do it yourself.
Relieving that when you work with in an office or professional environment, that you go out and you do something with your hands.
Yes.
Whatever you do, it's a leather bag or building a wall. I think it's smoothing and just relaxing.
Yes,
Yeah.
it clears your mind.
Yeah, no, what I meant mainly for the quality, just execution, not the numbers. Just to make sure that the contractors are doing a good job.
Yes, that's what I do.
Okay, good. Good luck, guys, both of you.
That is what I do the whole day.
Oh man. So the contractor will be having a lot of fun then.
Yes.
Having you as a quality assurance guy.
Yes.
The good thing is that the house, well, good and bad thing is that the house is going to be done by one of our family friends who's doing a general job. So he does everything literally from top to the roof. And he takes full responsibility. He manages the plumbers, the electrician, the windows, the doors. He orders everything. We just need to choose what we want. And yeah, it's really, really cool, and it's really good with the quality. But yeah, at least there's less stress.
What's the bad thing? Thomas?
Yes, chef.
You said it's a good and a bad thing. What's the bad thing?
The bad thing is that, if something goes bad, then you have to deal with the family friend, with your friend. That actually, how do you get into, it can ruin relationships, and that's why I don't like to mix friendship or family with business, because that never ends well. But in this situation, he gave a really, really fair price, and no one else is really available because it's just there's no professional. Everyone is booked in for the summer, so and the other thing, I wanted to give him the job, so it's half.
Yeah.
We'll see. You made some profit and gold today.
I did.
Yes, nice profit.
Me more percent on my account.
Welcome back, Nick.
Hey man, yeah, good day today. Starting a new challenge. You want to add a few challenges together, so up a good $1,000 on that. So it's a good start to the week. Thanks a lot, everybody.
A new challenge.
Yeah, well, I've been researching. The trick is the trick is you don't want to risk too much when you've got the account. The trick is you want to add more, and maybe and I've been talking to some people on the chat room, in our group, and you might just want to make between 1% and 3%, per month. But to make enough money, you really want to keep adding the capital. So, if I thought we had a swing low in gold with that big spike down, and I think, well, that it's good to get on a once you got the cycle low, it's a good opportunity to, because doing the challenge, it's kind of like a little bit of a gamble. You need to be a bit risky. So I thought, that's a good opportunity. So I went in with another one, and I want to follow some of the senior members and add them together. It's the plan.
Okay. It sounds like a plan. Good luck with the challenge, Nick.
Yeah, I'll need it. Yeah, it's always tense, but I see on the internet. The hardest bit is not actually passing the challenges once you've got the money, and not to go crazy and not to try and risk too much, because you just went to this challenge where you're meant to make 10 or 8%, but actually you should scale it down and actually be an investor, or more of an investor, actually, still a trader, but more of an investor. So if there's it's actually a bit harder, so you need to change your thinking. Yeah, so, and thanks for all the people on our group who've helped me and answer my questions and everything. Thanks a lot.
No problem, brother. Process, brother.
Big thank you for Jimmy.
Yeah.
Thank you for the
I missed the challenge on our Discord.
They failed.
Both.
Yeah.
Oh, so sadly. I miss it. I thought it was fun to follow how they did.
I did
Where's
send.
Pascal? I missed Pascal.
Yes.
Yeah, I miss her a lot too. She's great. Yeah.
Where are you, Pascal? If you're listening to this, where are you?
Golfing season has started. She's on the track.
Yeah, because she's a professional golfer, ladies and gentlemen. If you didn't know, Pascal is a pro golfer.
Yeah, pro. She was teaching, right?
I thought she did it
Oh
for
yeah,
a hobby.
I remember her talking about like hitting balls.
Sure. Is this Michelle? Is this Michelle? Right?
No, it's V.
B, huge. Oh my god, that was. Hitting balls. Oh my god, you and Jimmy.
Oh. Naughty, naughty girl.
Well, B left a very beautiful review on Trustpilot for me, so I'm not gonna punish her. That was a wonderful review. Thank you, B.
You deserve it. Like, I mean every word.
It fills my heart with joy. Thank you.
Share it with us, Thomas.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what she wrote on Trustpilot. Couldn't get more real than Thomas. He's one of the very few traders live every day on YouTube. If that's not full transparency, then I don't know what it is. He created a community that's based on helping traders on all levels to step up their game and not just feed them signals. What he offers is the opportunity for you to be proactive and be comfortable in taking your own setups with the help of the courses he made and the daily Zoom meetings that are focused on technical and fundamental analysis. His dedication to this craft is very evident with how he interacts with his members, and it's honestly one of the most refreshing things I experienced in a while. Very grateful to be part of this community. P.S. Trust me, every penny is worth it. Thank you so much, V.
You're welcome, and I don't sugarcoat.
She said every penny, but she didn't pay nothing. She got it free.
Don't tell everyone.
Bye, Tommy. I love you so hard.
Oh god.
That was a good one.
Laugh at me, huh? Laugh at me harder? You're stuck. What? You're stuck. Like that in golf.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man.
Oh. It's true, she didn't pay, but you know, it's worth every penny, so.
Yeah, it's worth every penny she didn't spend.
Hey, I subscribe to YouTube because I wanna use the cock emoji.
Yeah, but you know, actually, she did pay, but anyway, her joining the team is priceless anyway, so shut up.
Yeah. I see that your big friend, Mr. Stop Loss, also wrote a review.
On
Trustpilot. Peter Cooling.
Oh, he's a moron.
He was the guy who always stop loss, right?
He was in the group, yeah. So every single time I posted a setup and it hit stop loss, he was the first to go to the group chat and he was really loud that Thomas, your position hit stop loss. I was like, well, there's no need to mention because I do post the stop losses as well. Like today, I had 4k loss. I posted it, and he was just a fucker. He made a ton of money on my analysis, but every time when it hit take profit, he didn't say that, oh Thomas, thank you for the setup, for the analysis. I was like, he was a moron, but you know, I had a conversation with him and his attitude was just so bad, so I decided that, you know, he wants to look for other opportunities somewhere else, so we had to take part, and then he left a review on Trustpilot. But it's his opinion, I respect it, but he's a moron anyway.
There's always a bad apple, you know, and he only represents himself, and this is really ungrateful.
If you look at the Trustpilot, 86
General.
reviews, yeah, general is above, you know, it's 5-star, and that tells a reason. And you can ask any member who's been with me for the past 1 year. What is the opinion? I mean, this is one of the most transparent trading groups in the online community. I do risk my money. I take the trades with you guys. I take the losses and the wins as well. And I think the community itself, what we built is exemplary. Like the help, the support is just something good. But the problem is you cannot please everyone. There will be always some people who, you know, the glass is half empty and they always look for reason to complain. And these people you just have to ignore. That's it.
Well said, Thomas. Well said.
Trust me, brother.
Trust me.
Trust me, brother.
Therefore, we want you, Jimmy, that you write your review now.
Already. You can read it. No, never mind. Trust me, brother.
Okay.
You know, one of the things that why I stay here in this group and it's free for me because of Thomas, because the group is very, very positive. So when it's positive, I'm sticking. In
Is
this
it
group.
because of Thomas or Sophie?
No. It's about Thomas. There will be, remember, brother. There will always be another Sophie in this world. Remember that.
I don't know about that at all.
Trust me, brother.
I start get the feeling, Sophie, that Sean is a little bit jealous on Jimmy.
Oh my God.
Well, I forgot Sophie isn't in here, so we'll have to switch to B for the day until. Sophie
Oh my
comes back.
God.
You call my brother. You call my brother Sean. You're my brother.
I'm just trying to help you out, man.
No problem, brother.
Trust me.
Trust me. Oh my God.
Look at German 30 or German 40. It's almost hitting the take profit I said this morning if we ignore that massive fake out which pulled down my trouser and lost 4K. And now it's it's ridiculous.
Did you re-enter, Thomas?
No, absolutely not. I left. I didn't trade. I had only the gold trades left running. And look what happened on gold. While we were talking, it did the retest. Now we're waiting for another retest, and I think people who didn't enter, you can set a buy limit at 1933, 500, or 400. Even current price level is okay to enter. Just use a bit wider stop loss, and as soon as you're happy with the money, just take it.
It tested the daily pivot level. What was it? The R1.
Yes, it didn't break it though. It went a little bit.
No,
higher.
it just couple of cents, not more.
Thomas, can I get your opinion on GBP AUD, please?
I don't trade it.
Oh, okay, no problem. I entered a buy at what was it? 171.60. See, when the drop happened this morning after the GBP news.
Let's have a look. Let's check it. GBP AUD.
Yep.
GBP AUD, yeah.
It's not even in my watch list. That's how much I trade GBP AUD.
Okay.
This is the favorite pair for the Instagram people.
You know, I was just looking at the GBP news and then I noticed that GBP, NZD and AUD had the biggest drops. And then...
Whoa!
Are you
it's a
buying
big
or
drop.
selling it? You're buying or selling it?
I'm buying. I've done a buy this morning.
Oh my God, why you're buying it? I think...
I bought from the bottom there, so...
You're buying the retracement, I think so?
Yeah, that's it.
What are your plans with this GBP AUD?
My plans.
Take profit.
Yeah.
I mean, did you sell it?
No. I bought it from the bottom this morning.
How do you know it's the bottom? I mean, it's really aggressively selling.
I'll ride it for 50 pips, and then like now it's almost there basically, so I can take profit. That's what I was just seeing if you think it's gonna turn around.
It's possible. I mean, this massive sell-off could result with a temporary retracement, but you know, for the same reason, what happened with the DAX, the German index today. If I start trading a pair, I need to do more analysis and, you know, just observe it for a few days and just test it, because
Yeah,
each
no, I
of
didn't
the
realize it wasn't in your list at all. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bothered.
yeah. So Sophia RA on YouTube asking, how about NAS 100? Is the same as US 30? No, it's two different animals. NAS is heavily tech heavy, so there's so many tech firms, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix in NASDAQ, and US 30 is mainly about, you know, companies, the big companies, but not blue chip companies. And the calculation, one of them is volume weighted, the other one is price weighted average. So even the calculation is different of the index. It's two different things.
GJ and gold is going up.
Yeah, I entered into another buy. I'm not sure if you noticed it, into another small lot.
Yeah, that one. Oh, I thought it's stop loss. You enter already. Didn't see it.
No, I was entering on the stream, and it's up 123 pips. Beautiful, very good. Trust me, brother.
Very good, trust me.
Trust me. And then GJ is going up. GJ is already going up. Poof.
Good. Did you enter?
Yeah, I entered that one from. I entered from 160, something like 0.7.
Very good.
Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Very cheap.
Very cheap. Very cheap. Oh, going up. Woohoo.
Then you bought it now.
Finish it. 129 pips. Param.
Let's get ready to rumble! Wagwan, Jamaica.
Ooh, it's going up, man.
Whoa, gold is pushing up.
My God.
Come on, baby. Just one more push.
I need that gold retracement to enter another lot. There is a news, I think, Thomas, today. I think it's ISM, ISM, something news.
The trade balance. But the trade balance was not really meaningful because it's always negative, and it's the deviation from the previous is not as big. It's only 2.6 billion, so it's within the average standard deviation. So that's not the PMI is still 20 minutes away.
Yeah, PMI.
Thomas, you see the FOMC meeting? Is that they're going to release the information from March's meeting?
The memo, yeah, the minutes.
Yeah.
It's usually the same text, but they change a few words depending on the state of the economy.
And that's what's going to make some movement.
Yeah, possibly, but I don't want to trade it.
Okay. First time I took 2 trades out on 2 stocks on Friday, and then when the market opened yesterday, I was 50% in profit. So I'm probably gonna hold on to these for a few days.
Are you gonna hold these positions?
Yeah. I've sent you on Discord. I sent you a couple of pictures and some info on what I had.
Oh, the stocks. Sorry, I didn't reply to that. I did read it.
Okay.
I haven't traded stocks since 2018.
It's climbing.
Who's holding gold buys? Whoa.
Me.
Yep.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah.
Okay.
Guys, who do you trust?
Trust me, brother. Trust brother.
Trust me.
Jimmy.
Brother, change the name to
150,
Alpha
160
Trusted
pips in profit. Jesus Christ, I didn't expect this from this live stream today, but
You should put the alpha. Trust me, brother. Oh, that one is good. Thomas.
yeah.
That's just non-stop pushing.
That's why, Thomas, you should do live thread always. It follows you now. Oh, going up, brother. Woohoo!
Oh, we have Rahul on YouTube. Rahul on Zoom.
Other one.
Rahul, yeah.
Rahul.
Rahul Ganotra. We have two Rahuls. One is Rahul and one of them is Rahul.
Yeah, man.
You lucky to enter that price, Thomas. Nice, Thomas.
Yeah, that was good. Another 800 quid.
That's
So I quickly
good.
want
Wow.
to show
Flying,
something.
man.
It is
Wow.
flying.
Damn.
I wanted to show something to YouTube and to you guys that on Telegram we have a bloody scammer who's using my photo and my name, but this isn't me. So this is a scam account, the Alpha FX Academy. He deleted the link because he knows that I'm after him. But this Thomas Horvath 1, this is a fake account. This isn't me. I never post shitty videos about, you know, some poor people getting a few dollars and saying positive things. And, you know, I don't provide signals, and this is all a scam Telegram. This isn't me. So I never message anyone. I don't ask for your name or what's your occupation or how much money you have, and I never accept Bitcoin on Telegram. Everything is through the official website. So be careful and make sure you report this guy. I'm going to send his name into the chat. Please report.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, because someone messaged me the other week that someone actually lost money because of this guy. So it's something. Yeah, it's bad.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
someone
bad,
lost $500.
Done report.
You know, it's a lot of money for some people.
One time I got scammed when I first started, like a few years ago, and then I didn't know about the whole thing, and then almost $5,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Due to a scammer.
Yeah.
Wow.
US30 dropping good.
Yeah.
It's down 300 points.
Up again.
Oh, let's go back to gold, but that's looking much better than US 30.
I had to buy 1920. I still kept it.
Wow, 1920. That is decent.
Well,
That's really good.
It's a small one, but I kept it. You know, it's doing well.
Wow.
It is flying.
But US30 is flying as well, unfortunately, to the wrong direction.
Yeah.
200 pips of gold is flying. Woo.
Yeah.
Let's go. Gold. The retracement should be good, Thomas. The retracement should be good if like this.
Okay.
Was some news or?
Just the trade balance. I don't think there was any. Oh no, there was some news on Ukraine. NATO says Russia is focusing on taking Donbass, but that's not news. The EU proposes to ban on Russian coal imports. That's from this morning. So I'm gonna lock in one of the big positions on gold. So I closed it down.
What is going on with US30, man? Wow.
That's fuck me. Okay, I'm gonna.
That's a fucking.
Okay. I'm gonna cut the losses on US30 as well. So it's better to cut it in time. And I have now only one position running, which is gold, but that's 1k above.
Gold is climbing, man, climbing. Whew.
And it's done. Closed it down. 1k profit on the last position. Ladies and gentlemen, my job is done for today. Closed everything off.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Oh my
Did
god.
you guys made some profit?
Oh yeah.
Thank
you, Thomas.
Thank you so much, Thomas.
Very
You're
grateful.
welcome.
Thank you.
Don't forget,
Have a nice
leave a
day,
comment.
Thomas.
And now gold is pumping up. Fuck me. Anyway, profit is profit, so I'm grateful.
It's your R2 is testing now. So you
Uh,
would see in retracement.
yes. Wow.
Damn, it's going up. Shit.
It's gonna hit 1950 for sure, but I'm happy with the profits, so I logged it in. Made the losses back from this morning and plus some extra, so enough excitement for today. The other thing is, if you get value out of the morning briefings, the analysis, so you made some profit today, please don't forget to leave a comment on Trustpilot. Consider leaving a comment on Trustpilot. So I'm going to send the link into the chat on Zoom. If you have a minute, fill it out. Honest opinion, experience, whatever you want. Just be, professional.
It's nice to read your reviews.
Pardon?
It's nice to read. I'm reading some of your reviews right now.
Yeah, most of the people are really, really nice, and they leave a really professional comment, which I really appreciate. Sometimes I do read the comments before I go to sleep as well.
No.
And just wanted to highlight the retest that we talked about today. If I zoom in, do you see this nice retest? So he broke the support and resistance and retested it right to the people in a previous daily close. That's what we talked about in the live stream. And then it went up 100 pips.
Look at US30, how much it went up.
Wow,
it's still going.
As a clear stop loss, lucky I closed it down. What the hell is happening with US30?
Shit.
It's probably
It doesn't
just
have
the...
the trust. It doesn't have the trust, Tama. No trust on US30.
Yeah, or it probably
Surely
just
that thing's on a retrace.
market. Yeah, I think it's just a market open manipulation. If it pulls back with aggressively, then it's gonna go lower.
Negative trade balance, maybe.
That was like an hour ago. The trade balance.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, at 1:30 when we started the stream.
preparing for the PMI.
Ken Lim had a good comment. I think funds are moving from EU to US 30. It's possible. I mean, that massive stock buyback and rebound on the US stock market was quite substantial in the past few weeks. What we had since, oh, not this one. So since the red line, we had this massive surge in stocks in the US, which I think it was a defensive reaction of the companies. But it's all artificial. Long-term inflation, interest rate increase, and so many other variables and things are going to damage the stock market in the future. So in theory it should go down, but maybe it's not the time yet. And now just waiting.
Thomas, you think they're headed for a recession?
The US?
Yeah.
Many analysts talk about recession since 2008, that, you know, the next recession is here. Every single year we heard about it, but there was only, you know, a few things they called up on the recession. You know, the credit spread was widening and someone said, oh, is the recession coming? And the other year there was a yield curve inversion, and the guy called recession. And the other year there was a spike in oil price, I don't know when, and he shouted recession. And every single year someone is pointing out that, okay, something is not right, clear evidence there's going to be a recession. But the problem is, this year everything that's been shouted in the past few years, now it's happening all at the same time. Oil spike, I mean, there's a massive pressure on oil price. Oil price is at all-time high since you know, anything above $100 per barrel, close to 150 is dangerous. Now you have the possibility of the yield curve inversion. You have really tight labor market. You have brink of the Third World War. What else do we have? We have lockdowns in Asia, global supply chain issues. Interest rates are going to increase 6 times this year. Inflation never been this high since 1982. So everything that's been mentioned in the past few years, now it's happening. So this is the, I think, the time when we can expect a recession. Plus, there's an interesting economic theory that how to fight inflation. Bank of England is actually trying to fight inflation with inflation. So they deliberately pushing the UK economy into a smaller recession in order to avoid stagflation, which is stagnating growth and longer term inflation. So when prices are high but there's no growth in the economy, that is the worst. And stagflation last time was in the 1970s, 1980s oil crisis. Yeah, that was the oil crisis. But they didn't have the terminology of stagflation. It only became in the economic studies a few years later when they analyzed the situation, what happened back then. And right now, what the Bank of England is trying to do is trying to push the UK, the British economy, into recession to get over with, you know, the prices to normalize, and, you know, to have a recession and just do its job, the economy itself, because they think, they think it's better to have a recession artificially created than a longer term stagflation, which I do agree with it. But the problem is that inflation is not domestic. It's not going to affect the prices in China, the shipping cost, manufacturing. It's not going to affect. So it's similar like when chickenpox in school. When I was a kid and someone had chickenpox in the classroom, the parents of the children organized a kids party, and they invited other kids to get the chickenpox, because if you get it in adulthood, that can be dangerous. So all the parents took the children into the chickenpox party, and everyone just had chickenpox.
Yeah, so everyone just dealt with this at the same time.
Yeah, get it done, you know, just check it off and then to move on.
Yeah.
And now, well, close down the position and fucking gold is climbing high.
One of the predictors for whether the futures gold market would do well are the gold miners. So we see that GDX, GDXJ, and Franco, Nevada, they've been pumping for a while. So that's why I've been like just holding on for a long time.
The mining companies are the most undervalued right now on the stock market.
Yeah, I wish I had extra money and buy some shares in those. Yeah, they look wonderful.
I actually just got into the stock investing long term about a month or two ago, and when everything started to crash, and just recently everything started turning a bit green. I've got quite a few like electric vehicle companies, a couple of mining companies, and then the big ones.
Nice.
It's alright, just like I'm following this guy Larry Holmes on YouTube. Like I watched a couple of videos. He's called it like dollar cost average in. And I was using the technique, investing in the dips and stuff, and then now where everything's turning around is everything's gone green. So it's looking good.
Cool. I searched Larry Holmes. He's a boxer apparently as well. So maybe it's another Larry Holmes. I'll look around.
Yeah, no, I'll send the link in the chat. Give me a couple of minutes. And then
all right, thanks, mate. Cheers. Cool. Okay.
It's start there. The goal.
I'm just gonna wait for Tez. And
what time is it? What time is there, Thomas, in your country? What time is that?
Just 4:45.
4 p.m. right?
Yeah, 15 minutes to 4.
Oh, okay. So your afternoon there. I'm almost 9:43 p.m. here.
Wow. And Tess just posted the link into the chat.
If you can come to Brunei, inshallah, I'll show you.
Also. Okay, guys.
That's my go-to guy for all stocks for all the members.
Thank you so much for tuning in to the live stream today. I hope you guys made a few pips profit. It's definitely, I wasn't expecting this big push on gold, which is still pumping up. It's unbelievable. So if you're still in the position since today, you should be up just under 200 pips profit. Who's holding gold still?
Me.
Yeah.
Wow.
I kept the
what do you think, profits?
Yeah, I'm still holding.
Do you guys want go to hold higher? Wow, hold on. You guys still holding and you let me goose down my position? No one said that don't close it. Come on, guys.
I'm holding gold, but unfortunately US30 as well.
I promise the alpha that I will hold
until direct correlation.
I promise you all I will hold until the end of the week, inshallah.
All right, Jimmy. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I think it was a productive day. Sadly, US30 hit stop loss. See you, team members, tomorrow 8 a.m. sharp for the morning briefing. Hopefully beginning to see some more juicy setups. Thank you so much and have a good night.
Thanks, Thomas, and everybody.
Thomas.
All right.
You have a good night, Thomas. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to leave a review on Trustpilot. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
So people on YouTube, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm just gonna read through the final comments. Yeah, I think everyone made a fair share of profit from today's gold pump. It was a good productive session. I hope you made a few pips. I really enjoyed the conversation. If you enjoyed the conversation, make sure you hit the like button. Also, you can leave a comment on Trustpilot if you enjoyed the stream, you get any value out of the fundamental sharing, technical analysis, or just enjoying the conversation. Leave a comment on Trustpilot. I do appreciate that you tuned in and spent some time with me. Thank you so much. This is the Alpha Facts.
It's all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.